Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Hello friends, thank you for joining us. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make a small bathroom look and feel huge and give it some personality. If you're like me, then your space might be on the smaller side. That doesn't mean that it can't have a big impact or feel larger than it really is. You just need some clever ideas for making things more spacious, as well as how to use what you already have in your home to create an illusion of space even when there's not much room available. I'll share with you my favorite tricks so that no matter where you live or how small your bathroom may be, it will still look huge. Use a large mirror to make the room feel bigger. It's a simple trick, but it always works. The big mirror will reflect nearby objects and create the illusion that there is more space to work with than what you actually have. If you hang 2 or 3 mirrors next to each other, the effect will be even more pronounced. Just make sure that you find large mirrors that are proportionate to the size of your room. A mirror can create the illusion of openness in a smaller space. Another great trick is to paint the walls with light colors. A lighter palette will reflect light better, making the area larger looking and adding more illumination during daytime. Light colors are also great at hiding dirt, which is something that I would certainly recommend for smaller bathrooms because they get dirty easy. Whites, creams and soft greens are ideal for recreating an airy feeling in small spaces. Paint the walls with light colors. Keep the accent wall simple. Also, if you have the option to leave one of your walls bare, do it, but make sure to keep it light also or choose a complementary color. You can even pick something like gray, which is very popular right now because it's between black and white in terms of visual weight. However, unless you're looking for an edgy look, don't use dark colors on all 4 walls. They will only drag down the space and make it feel smaller than before. A neutral color scheme is your safest bet for creating an open-feeling bathroom. Don't cover every surface with storage containers. It may seem counterintuitive, but sometimes less is more when it comes to recreating an illusion of more space. This is why I would recommend that you don't cover every single wall of your bathroom with storage containers, shelves or nooks. If the place are too full, it will have the opposite effect on your room and it will look smaller than before since everything will be squeezed together in a small area. It's better to keep some surfaces open so the eye has somewhere to rest. Pick bold colors for accessories. When decorating a small bathroom, it's best to use bright colors on accessory items, but not necessarily when picking out paint for walls and floors. Instead, I would recommend sticking with very light shades for larger pieces such as cabinets and counters because they fill up more space visually when used like this. However, you can choose bolder colors like dark blue or green for accessories such as towels, bath mats and soap dispensers because they don't need to cover a large area. A few bright colors will make the room seem bigger. Keep clutter to a minimum. Another important factor in making your bathroom appear larger is by reducing unnecessary objects which you don't really need to keep around. The more cluttered it looks, the smaller it will feel, so try not to leave any space empty with just air inside. However, this doesn't mean that you should overcrowd your bathroom either. You just want everything there to have its place and be put away in a neat manner. It's a clutter-free zone. Break up the space with mirrors. Mirrors are great for creating an illusion of more space, but they can also be used to divide a room into 2 separate areas. In smaller bathrooms, you can use full-length or standing mirrors to cover certain walls and make the area seem like it has been split into 2 parts. This could be useful if you have a larger vanity and want to place one half for your bathroom stuff and the other side for your clothes or something else. A simple partition using a mirror will do just fine. With large mirrors, you can create the impression of greater depth and even divide spaces. Add some plants for greenery and fresh air. Last but not least, if you want to make your small bathroom look and feel larger than it actually is, add some fresh plants. Not only will they boost up the air quality, making it easier for you to breathe in there, but they will also bring a touch of color and life into what would otherwise be a rather boring space. This is Naha from Decor Shows again. Thanks for watching. So what do you think? Do you want to give one of these designs a try in your own bathroom? If so, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got lots more videos coming to your way soon. Bye.